Okay, so for this review for the exam, there's going to be 3 parts, okay? So for the first part, I'm going to show you what you need to do. And then for the second and third parts, I'm going to review the answers with you, okay? So of course, you're going to get the score sheet on the test day, and then you put your name and so on. But let's look at task number 1, which is identify emergencies, okay? And you see here that there are 10 pictures that you need to identify, and you get 1 point for each one, okay? And then task 2, let me highlight it there, is responding to an emergency. So this means you're describing the steps, okay? What to do, step 1, step 2, step 3. And you notice here that there are 2 emergencies, okay? And you get a score, and the total is 12. And if you look down here, there's 22 possible points. For you beginning high, 200 level, you need 17 points, okay? If you practice in class, you practice at home, you should be okay. So let's look at the first task, all right? Let's go back here. There we go. So for the exam, you're going to get a paper that's very similar to this. Not exactly the same, but very similar, okay? It's going to have very similar pictures, and you will also get the words up here at the top. So you don't need to remember the spelling exactly. You can just copy from here and write it down. So let's look at these together. Sorry. Hurricane, I'm sorry, this is a tsunami. So this is tsunami, car accident, flood, poisoning, drought, heart attack, hurricane, robbery, house fire, earthquake, tornado, and chemical spill, okay? So you're just going to write it down. The next part is remembering the steps. So let's look at this one here, okay? So your house is on fire, but you're inside. What do? So of course, the first step is you need to get out of the house, right? So you can say, first, leave the house. Step 1, get out of the house. The first thing you do is escape from the house. You could say anything about leaving, okay? That's the first step, get out, right? Then you can say, step 2, call 911. You can say, second, call 911. The next thing you do is call emergency services. So you can say anything, okay? But that's the second step, call 911. And then the third step is just to wait outside for the fire truck, for the fire department to come, okay? So you can say, third, wait outside. Last, wait for the fire department. You can say anything like that, okay? So first, get out of the house. Second, call 911. And third, wait for the fire truck. That's for a house fire, okay? Now, what about for an earthquake? Okay. So the first thing you do, step 1, is drop to the floor. So get down, okay? Get low, drop to the floor. The next step is to cover. So take cover under a desk or a table. Okay, take cover. Cover your head especially. And the third step is hold on to something. Okay, hold on to the table, hold on to the desk, hold on to the table leg. Okay, so hold on. Step 1, drop. Step 2, take cover. Step 3, hold on. And that's it, okay? So you can watch this many times. You can pause and try to practice by yourself. But if you watch the video and you practice in class, I think you'll be A-okay.